Starting with the breathing exercise to open up the lungs. Feet together, toes and heels touching. Fingers interlaced under the chin. Exhale, bring your head back. Inhale, chin down, arms up. Exhale, head back. Inhale, chin down. Exhale, head back. Inhale, chin down. Exhale, head up. And relax, arms by your side. Half moon pose with hands to feet pose. Feet together, arms overhead. Interlace the fingers. Tick-tock side to side, left and right. Stop in the center. Deep breath in. Stretch up and over to the right. You're pushing the hips to the left. Chest comes out. Chin up. So we got hips left, arms right, chest out, arms back, a little bit more at the end, and come up. Deep breath in, stretch up, and over to the left side. We start out slowly. Hips to the right side, arms to the left side, chest opens out, chin is up. Push down onto your right heel. It's going to give you leverage to reach and extend to that left wall a little more, and come up. I'm going to have Kim and Martha turn to the side for half moon back bend. If you have a neck issue, arms and ears touching. If not, relax the neck, let the head fall. Scoop the tailbone, lift the chest, and reach back behind you. Reach back, all the way back. Hips are forward. You're super flexible, don't let them go too far forward. A little bit more, chest opens, and come up. Let's go forward in a flat back, arms out in front, hands to the floor, and shake it out a few times. Left and right, back and forth. If you don't have a knee, you should do a little squat. Hips up, reach down, grab the heels. Fingers come underneath. Let's bring the arms behind the calf muscles, almost like you're trying to touch your elbows behind you. Stomach on the thighs, chest to the knees, face to the shins. Weight forward at the end. Final stretch and change. Coming up, arms out in front. Arms down by your side. Have chin and Martha face back to the front for eagle pose. Arms overhead, right arm under the left arm. Consider squat. That's going to soften the hips, the IT bands at first. Bring your right leg over the left leg, wrap it around. You're going to hook that foot around the other side of the calf. If you can't get the foot behind, balance there. Upper body back. Shoulders and hips are square. Let's get them even. A little more. Change. Arms overhead, left arm under the right arm, reverse it. By squatting down, that's going to soften the IT bands at first. Then it's a little easier to bring that left leg around the right leg. Wraps around the other side. Tailbone under, upper body back. We're trying to get the spine straight. Hold here. Upper body back, soften the hips a little more, and change. Good. We're going to turn over to the side again and do standing head to knee. Pick up your right foot, interlace the fingers just below the ball of the foot. I like the knee a little bit above waist level. And very slowly extend that right leg out to the front until the right leg is straight. The knee's bending, just focus here. And focus on your standing leg. If the upper leg is straight, in order to get the upper leg straight, we're going to drop the shoulders and extend the arms. Heel out a little bit more. If the upper leg is straight, only then do the elbows come down. The body curls and rounds. Eventually, the head touches the knee at the final position. Change. Let's do the left side. Pick up the left foot, fingers interlaced. Find the spot with your eyes on the floor. Slowly, the left leg kicks out to the mirror until the left leg is straight. We're holding just below the ball. That way you can get the toes to come back towards your face. We get a flexion of that foot we call dorsiflexion. Your eyes fixed on that one spot on the floor. That's going to give you your balance. And only, leg down a little bit, Marta. If the upper leg is straight to the elbows drop, go ahead, Kim. Final position, head to knee. Change. I'm going to have them face the front. Let's go right to tree pose. Right foot up, inside part of the thigh. The knee goes out and back. Hip joint forward. Bring one hand to the heart. Foot's gonna slide, hold it. Otherwise, both hands up, namaskar. Open up those hips in the lateral rotation. Change, other side. Left foot up. The knee goes out to the left and back, hip joint comes forward, bring one hand up, then the other, namaskar. And change. And we're gonna relax, feet to the back of the room in Shavasana. Arms by your side, palms up. Let all the tension go. Keep our eyes open as the body softens into the floor. Let's bring the right leg up for Pavanamuktasana, wind liberation pose. Wind removing, pull the knee to the chest, left leg relaxed. As you breathe out, pull in. Change, arms and legs down. Left leg up. Interlace the fingers at the knee, giving yourself a little bit of room if you need it. Toward the left shoulder. Exhale down, inhale, hold. Change, arms and legs down. And both legs up. Grab each elbow over your legs. If you can't, get the elbows wherever you can. Forearms, wrists, hands. Make a nice solid grip, secure your grip, pull the knees down, chin down, back of the neck on the floor. As you breathe out, on the exhaling breath. And as you come up, lift your legs straight up in the air and lower down slowly in control. Arms by your side. Okay, let's do one sit-up, arms overhead. Do a fast sit-up, forward to the knees twice, and come up. And face the front, let's do cobra pose. Hands underneath the shoulders, little fingers on the outside edge, tips of the fingers on the front part edge. Legs nice and solid. Deep breath in. And we're up. Halfway position, stop. Belly button, hold. Feet into the floor. Lower abdomen into the floor. Hold here. And lower down slowly with control. Let your head turn to the side. Arms by your side, relax. Let's do the bow pose. Bend the knees up, grab a hold of the feet from the outside. Two knees together from the start, deep breath. And we're up, shoulders back, toes pointed, wrists are straight, lift up. Kicking back. Stay in the lower abdomen in 17, 18, all the way up. At the end, 19, 20, come down slowly with control. Get to the other side, relaxing both sides of the neck. Then you can press right up into child pose, instant relief to the spine. And come up to the middle of the mat for camel pose, Ustrasana, knees and feet apart, hip width distance, hands on your hips, fingers pointing down to the floor. You can keep your hands there to modify. If not, let the head drop, lift the chest, reach back, grab the right heel, left heel, base of the palm, base of the heel, push down into your shins, open up the chest and heart, keep the grip, little bit more, exhale, and come up, hands on your hips. Let's go right to rabbit pose, knees and feet together. You're gonna curl in, touch your forehead on the knees, top of the head on the floor as you grab your heels. Very light pressure on your head. You're lifting the hips up to the ceiling, shoulders to the ceiling. Long exhale. If you can't get your knees to the floor, you can walk your knees up one by one. Keep the grip, hold the position, and come up slowly. And turn around, relax on your back, feet to the back of the room. For a final Shavasana, arms by your side. This time you can close your eyes. Let all the tension go completely. And the short flow, working all the areas of the body that are necessary for a complete workout. Perfect way to start your day. Thank you so much for joining us in this short 10-minute flow. If you're new to the channel, you want to see more flows, you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the like like button, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.